So we are the team from Gallery Geek Art and we're at our booth at Art Mumbai. This is our first time here. We're an Indo-Japanese gallery based in New Delhi as well as in Tokyo. And we are very, very happy to be here. This year's curation, we are bringing Maitri, which talks about the universal connection, the spiritual bond between culture, nature, people. And we have a curation of 10 artists. Out of 8 are Japanese, 2 are Indian. And as you can see here, we have a fabulous piece. This is by a Japanese artist called Tomioki Kaneko. He's based in northern part of Japan and he paints these marvelous, beautiful pieces that are very, very traditional in their motifs, in their technique, in their mediums, etc. And this is a huge painting. It's divided in 3 panels and we are very, very happy to have been presenting it at Art Mumbai. And then this is a piece by Tarini Sethi. She's an artist based in New Delhi. She makes these gorgeous metal sculptures that cast beautiful shadows. And we've been able to have the space dedicated to her. So once you enter, you're able to see this beautiful space. And then you move forward and you're engulfed by the entire space that we have curated here. Since we are working with the concept of Maitri, we wanted to create these curved walls that bring you in and then you're experiencing the art as best as you can. This is a beautiful piece by a Japanese artist called Goma. He's also a musician. He paints these beautiful acrylic on canvas, and each dot that you see in this painting was not drawn before that they were painted. So this is a very, very therapeutic process that this artist has. And yeah, if you spend 10 seconds looking at it, it's a complete vortex. And then moving forward, we have a beautiful piece by Kenji Yanobe. He's a Japanese artist. He's a professor at Kyoto University. This is one of his collectibles from his series called Ship's Cat. He takes his inspiration from the 16th century idea of ship's cat and believes that ships have the ability to sense danger. And as you can see, it's made of stainless steel and it has a astronaut's mask over it, helmet over it.